video, but I haven't got to doing it. This is gonna be a good one for today. As you guys can tell by the title and the game, I'm going to be playing Left 4 Dead. But my dad said you cannot kill a tank with a shotgun. Now let's go ask him. Now for some reason my dad is camera shy, so let's go ask my sister. Hey Leah, do you think you could kill a tank with a shotgun in Left 4 Dead 2?
No, why would you think that?
Fun. My sister doesn't believe in me. My dad is camera shy for some reason.
Report unusual behavior.
Played this game for years.
Barricade your home. Avoid all contact with infected individuals. Wait for official instruction.
Wait, no. Cannot say that one. Nope, nope. Shut up. Shut up. Nope. YouTube does not like those words. Okay. Hope you guys can see that. Grab the remote. Okay, now we're gonna do this. Gonna load up the ending one, and I'm gonna try and find a shotgun. I should probably do the very ending. I don't know though. Like I said, Dad's camera shy. Sister does not believe in me. Okay. We should do realism. So it's real. I guess let's do normal. So we are gonna do the plantation. And I don't know actually. Yeah, I'll do the bridge. Okay, loading into a game. We are gonna find a shotgun. Hopefully that's what appears on the table, is a shotgun. Because if not, it's gonna suck. Running through hordes of zombies with an axe. Because I prefer melee weapons over pistols. It's what I've always used. I remember when my dad first showed me Left 4 Dead. Now it is my all-time favorite game. My second favorite game is Red Dead 2. I have like all the achievements. Oh wait, wow, I haven't played single player in a while. Whoa.
Before we run across this bridge right toward the people who've been dropping bombs on us, anyone want to talk about a plan B? I don't. Alright, let's go.
Shoot. Well, guess I have to use a frying pan until I find a shotgun. Whoa. Okay, that causes damage. Actually, I feel like I should be able to use one of these.
What? The Army bombed my buddy Keith. He went camping and didn't bother to read the signs, and I guess they were just testing bombs that day. All
Shut up,
sorts
Alex.
of stuff too, not just regular bombs, like biological nerve gas bombs, shrapnel bombs, these bombs that break up into the air to like 100 smaller bombs.
Is now the best time?
Okay.
I smacked it in the head. The witch will kill you instantly. Watch out. There's a witch?
Let's let him know we're here.
Hello?
Identify yourself.
My name's Nick. There's 4 of us on the west end of the... You heard the man. Let's get across the goddamn bridge.
Okay, I'm only gonna use this scar until I find a shotgun. Come on. I was playing split screen with my sister today. I tried to prove her that you could kill a tank with a shotgun. She didn't believe me. She just told me to drop it. Frying pan. Come and get me. Imagine if witches were on the bridge though. No, dude, someone help me, please. Thank you. I'm trying to find a shotgun. I have Coach with me. We're gonna do this. And I know that for a fact. I'm gonna do a cosplay of Ellis at some point. Oh, horde after horde after horde. If you spin, the goo goes away quicker. Yeah. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. Watch me. Okay.
Guns here.
Yes. Whoa, why is my game like glitching? No, someone help me. Help me. Someone. Okay, someone needs to heal me. Actually, I can just heal. Something's booking it. I've never seen zombies run before. And I've never seen zombies have that good a balance. Okay, up ahead, the tank is coming. Okay. Out of my way. I'm not wanting to punch you guys. Okay, here comes the tank. This is gonna be quick and easy. Come on. See? You can kill a tank with a shotgun. Sister's proved wrong. My dad is proved wrong. That is, folks, you can kill a tank with a shotgun. You guys just saw that. I did not care. I just did that. You guys clearly saw that, not clickbait. not clickbait at all. Most YouTubers do clickbait and stuff like that. Okay. Well, I'm actually that is it for today, folks. I killed a tank with a shotgun. Proved wrong. Proved wrong. Have a good day or night. Don't forget, if zombie apocalypse happens and there's a tank, I wouldn't use a shotgun. So, good night, good day. See you guys in my next video. Bye.